garden. He loves tending his flowers, humming and talking to them as he tidies in the weeds. But sometimes he says, I wish I had friends to share my garden with. One morning, Warden is woken by a tap-tapping noise at the window. He sleepily pulls back the curtains and sees leaves whirling and swirling outside. That is a very windy day, he says. Warden hurries outside and finds his beautiful, tidy garden is all messed up. The wind has washed everything around and around. His flowers have flopped over and his neat little wall is littered with leaves. Oh, brother, says Warden. Warden is very cross with the wind for making such a mess. So he starts sweeping the leaves into big piles. He soon have his garden look beautiful and tidy once more, just as it before. The wind ruined it. But before Warden can pick up his neat piles of leaves, whoosh! A huge gust of wind blows them all away again. I don't like the wind, grumbled Warden. Warden was surprised when some little birds sang, We love the wind. It carried us here to spend the summertime in your lovely garden. It will help us fly home again before the cold winter comes. Yes, but it still messes up my garden, muttered Warden, hurried off to stake up his flowers. Warden was still fussing about the wind when a passing butterfly said, The wind is wonderful. It carries insects to the garden to gather nectar from your splendid flowers. Warden smiled. His flowers were splendid, even after the wind had done. Warden was working hard to collect all the leaves before the wind could blow them away again. When the little voice says, I like the wind too. It swirls the leaves into mounds so I can make a cozy nest. And it blows nuts off the trees for my winter's food store. Warden looked behind the sack and found a mouse smiling at him. The wind will help you too, Warden to the mouse. Look, it's blowing lots of interesting seeds to your garden. Next year, some of them will grow into lovely new plants. Warden sat down and began to think. Perhaps the wind wasn't so bad after all. It seemed to be very useful. In fact, he thought the wind had made my wish come true. It brought me lots of friends to share my garden with. That night, Warden and his new friend, Mouse, were tucked up in Warden's cozy sitting room. As the wind whistled and whooshed outside, Warden smiled. I like the wind, he said sleepily. Mouse noodled, me too. It's a shame about the washing though. Bye.